Hello friends, today we will do an exercise based on expression of future time using will. We will do, I promised yesterday that I will be coming with an exercise where you will have to convert sentences into WH questions. Okay, so I have given in brackets the suitable or appropriate question words. All what you have to do is to convert these sentences into questions. Alright, so let's begin. Remember, first step is change the sentence into an yes or no question and then use the appropriate question word. Now let's see, begin. So here we are. She will pretend to be sick. So first you will say, will she pretend to be sick? Then, why will she pretend to be sick? Why will she pretend to be sick? There should be some reason, so that's why she will pretend to be sick. Second sentence, Ashok will bell the cat. Who? So, who will bell the cat? Who will bell the cat? Next, the train will arrive at 10 a.m. Question word is when. So, first you have to say, step by step if you proceed, will the train arrive at 10 a.m.? Then, when will the train arrive? Then the answer will be 10 a.m. Okay. They will do it neatly. How? So the first step is, will they do it neatly? Then how will they do it? Answer is neatly. Okay. Fifth one, the next will be his chance. Will the next be his chance? Then whose chance will the next be? Whose chance will the next be? Understand? And then he will say, the next will be his chance. Whose chance? His. Answer. Sixth one, they will talk to their friends. Whom? Will they talk to their friends? Whom will they talk to? Whom will they talk? That is enough. Or whom will they talk to? Alright. Next. Seventh. The students will go to the seashore. Where? Will the students go to the seashore? Where will the students go? Where will the students go? Answer is to the seashore. 8. They will find the trip very hard. Will they find the trip very hard? Will they find the trip very hard? Then, what will they find very hard? The answer will be trip. What will they find very hard? They will find the trip very hard. Yes. Then 9. Punishment will correct them. Will punishment correct them? What will correct them? Answer is punishment. What will correct them? Answer is punishment. Alright, next. She will choose this one. Will she choose this one? Which one will she choose? Answer is this. Which one will she choose? This. Okay. He will make many attempts. Will he make many attempts? Then, how many attempts will he make? How many attempts will he make? Alright. Then, next one. 11. The boy will spend a lot of money. How much? Will the boy spend a lot of money? How much money will the boy spend? How much money will the boy spend? Okay, 12. 13. It will take 5 hours for him to do that. How long? 10. Will it take 5 hours for him to do that? Then question word, how long will it take? How long will it take for him to do that? Answer is 5 hours. 5 hours. And 14, they will have to travel 10 miles for getting it. How far? Will they have to travel 5? Will they have to travel how many? 10 miles for getting it? Then how far will they have to travel for getting it? How far will they have to travel for getting it? Alright. And the last one is 15. She will feed the baby many times a day. That's it. Will she feed the baby many times? How many times? How often? Yes. How often will she feed the baby? How often will she feed the baby? So you have got, I have used all the 14 question words in here. All the 14 question words. We have 14 question words now. That's as we have seen, what, when, where, who, why, whose, whom, how long, how many, how much, how far, how long, and which, the two more, what are they, where and when. Isn't it? Yes. So all the question words, isn't it? So once again, question words are what, then, what, when, where, which, how, who, whose, whom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, why, 9. Isn't it? Then we have which is what, when, where, how. Isn't it? Why, who, whose, how, whose, whom, where, what, which. Then how many, how many, how much for quantity, how far, how often, how far, how long. So these are the question words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So all the question words we have used. Is that clear? Yes? So what you have to do is, as I already told you, will she pretend to be sick? Then why? Why will she pretend to be sick? Question mark. So that is how it is done. Next one, Ashok will weld the cat. Who? So instead of this you write who. Who will weld the cat? Question. The train will arrive at 10 a.m. So instead of 10 a.m. when? So will the train, and then when will the train arrive? Question. When will the train arrive? They will do it neatly. How? Will they, will comes here. How? How will they do it? Question mark. Is that clear? Those 4 sentences are clear to you? Okay. Otherwise, you will feel the board is crowded, and so I am just removing all those sentences for which you have already made questions. Alright. Now, 5. The next will be his chance. So, will the next be his chance? Whose? Whose will be the next chance? whose will be the next chance? So then that is question. They will talk to their friends. To their friends. Will they? Sorry. Will they talk to their friends? Then whom will? Whom will they talk to? Question. Here question. Yes. Next. Where? The students will go to the seashore. Will the students go? Will the students go to the seashore? Where will? Where will the students go? Question mark. Where will the students go? Okay? Yes. Again, so that the board does not look crowded. No, that's it. Yes. Now, next. They will find the trip very hard. Will they find the trip very hard? What will they find very hard? Very hard. What will they find very hard? Punishment will correct them. So will punishment correct them? So instead of that, what will correct them? What will correct them? Punishment will correct them. Understand? And now 8, 9. Up in 9 as we have done already. Yes, this also 8. Now she will choose this one. Will she choose this one? Then which will she choose? Question. Which will she choose? She will choose this one. He will make many attempts. Will he make many attempts? Attempts. Then how many? How many attempts will he make? So attempts should come here. How many attempts will he make? Then many attempts. Understand? How many attempts will he make? And that will be many attempts, isn't it? Yes. And now further, you can see, so that you get a clear picture of the changes that we make. Alright. The boy will spend a lot of money. So will the boy spend a lot of money? And how much will the boy spend? So that's it. How much will the boy spend? Clear? Then you have got, it will take 5 hours for him to do that. Will it take 5 hours? 5 hours for him to do that. That will be how long? Yes. How long will it take for him to do that? How long will it take for him to do that? Answer will be 5 hours. Okay? And then next one is, they will have to travel 10 miles for getting it. Will they have to travel 10 miles for getting it? So the question word is how far. How far will they have to travel for getting it? How far will they have to travel for getting it? 10 miles. And the last one, she will feed the baby many times. Will she feed the baby many times? Many times. And we say how often? How often will she feed the baby? And that you will get the question. I think now it is very clear to you what the question words we have used. And now you try your own exercise. You generate sentences first, convert them to yes or no question, and then finally to WH question, so that it becomes very, very easy for you. Language at your fingertips. Enjoy and enjoy doing exercise in grammar and be a master of English grammar. That will be a great achievement. Bye.